When you pull the plugs, make sure that you pull that one in the front, and same process for the one on the back. Is two plugs. Once you remove those two plugs, just pull the green connector.
Hey.
For the HID bulb, we went to AutoZone. We're not gonna replace it because AutoZone wants $160 for it. So my brother-in-law ordered one from Amazon. He's gonna get it at his house. So he's going back to his house tomorrow. Once he get a new one, he's gonna replace it, and that's $50 for a pair. So definitely AutoZone wants 160, and we're not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put everything all the way. I'm just gonna put the bolts just to secure it in place. Once he get to his house, he's gonna replace it. If you guys notice on this headlight on the bottom, it has a little pin to line up the headlight, but on this one it's damaged. But once you remove those two bolts, you're gonna be able to pull the headlight out, and same thing to put it back in. Okay guys, the fog light didn't work. I replaced the bulb, but that's not the problem. One of the cables came off, and if you see inside, you can see it's a little burn mark in there. It gets a little toast in there, but we want to replace it. That's H11 connector. We just need to cut the old one and splice the new one into the cables to have fog lights again. And just to finish guys, I did a little modification to my lip. If you guys remember, this lip is from my sedan bumper. Now I have the coupe. I don't want to spend $100 and some for the lip right now. So that's why I just did a little cut in the middle to make it smaller, put the screws on each end, and we have it for now. I know this is not the right one, but that will do for now so I can put the money into something else. And that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. I just tried to bring you a little episode on how to replace the fog light, the headlight, and also the modification that I did to the lip on my Honda Accord. I hope you like this little episode, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.